Actually, it's a very, very tough moment. And thinking about Dharmesh and hearing Sahil's story, I'm in loss of words, but I'll try my level best. I know people don't know me in this way, but I really wanted to add to what Vineet said. And CS is here today. CS, you're there. Yeah, so I know we have not planned this, but I really wanted to add that fact, the fact that within 24 hours, we had 200 plus people joining in our WhatsApp group. I remember Abhishek sir sending the WhatsApp group invitation to all the known Betosa global WhatsApp groups across the world. And within hours, we had 200 volunteers. We, CS and I, did not care to ask which batch, which city, what is your job, nothing. We just asked them what you can help. And this is the cost. Please join us. And that was such a transforming moment for us, such a transforming moment that it really gave us a lot of strength. I cannot ever forget what happened with Dharmesh, because I would be, this is the time to share with everyone, because I was in touch with Varun sir, Abhishek sir, CS on daily basis, though he's located in US, but we talk every time that what can we do? The moment when we lost Dharmesh, even as Vineet said, with all the facility, what can we do? We already have this existing WhatsApp group. What can we do to bring people together, and how can we, work on it? And the one person that CS gave idea was Prince, and that is when Prince came in, and he was the first choice that, okay, let's start an urgent SOS group. So the SOS group started first before the whole COVID war room initiative. So that was the most interesting part, and that is how we started getting support from all the seniors, all juniors, and the concept of COVID war room initiative came in. This is a good day to thank everybody associated, because thousands and crores of initiatives Betosa Global would have done it. I know Betosa Global for 6 years. CS has been, he's celebrating his 10th year. This is the cause we would wanted to be part of. कुछ भी event हमने किया, nothing matters. If we impacted life, if we impacted families, if we impacted the souls around us, the feeling of helplessness we had, all of us, लॉकडाउन में घर में बैठ के हम अपने परिवार को नहीं मदद कर पा रहे थे. SOS team and COVID war room initiative gave us that strength. I still remember सुबह हम डर जाते थे फोन से, especially when Dharmesh was in ICU, and we were scared कि भाई किसी भी दिन सुबह कुछ भी न्यूज आ सकता है, and it happened. And then towards after that, when we realized that we have a team everywhere, we really got the strength. Things were same, we were losing people, but at least we were making attempt. We were not in a state where we were not able to attempt, and we were talking to anybody, everybody. So I really want to take this opportunity from the depth of my heart, and on behalf of everybody on Betosa Global team, to thank for whatever time, effort they have given, trusting us. Just the cause or just the brand Betosa Global, they just gave their time, whatever minute it was. They just came and trusted and became part of this initiative. Thank you so much. Also, I really want to, bring a very small point. When my mom asked me कि आपको क्या फायदा हो रहा है, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग दोनों, लगे रहते हो, बच्चा खा नहीं रहा है, ये वो. So I showed her some thanks messages or some messages which we get after John sir को मिलता था या शिवांगी को मिलता था, and she got tears. See, this is what is giving us the incentive to work. A small thank, a small appreciation, a small emotional messages that we got from our families or even a peer, that really helped us move on and on. And I'm so thankful कि भाई आगे ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो. We stay together, but we stay together for another good cause. And for today, I really want to thank Shivangi for awesome job, and Prince for always being there. She has been behind all of you. I know all the families and all, and it's really moderated very well, Shivangi and Prince. And there are two people who have been with Betosa Global team always. They're rarely seen. It is Piyush and Vishnu. पीछे का सारा मैनेज करते हैं, so it's a good opportunity for me to thank them. And one person I don't know if CS is still there. Yes, there you go. The silent killer or the silent pillar, something of any word is less for him. A very humble human, Chandrasekhar Shaw. 2007 batch, located in US. So we call him CS out of love. And guy who has given his time for 10 years now. CS, if I'm not wrong, I know you from 6 years, right?
Yeah.
And you guys won't believe I have not even met him. The kind of working relationship which we have, I have not even met CS till date. और इस 6 साल में उसकी शादी हो गई, शिप्रा आ गई, मेरा बच्चा हो गया, वत्स आ गया, कैसे बीत गया हमें पता ही नहीं चला. So that is the power of bond, and that is, the power of working for a cause. And I really want to thank all the seniors who envisioned Bitoza Global and all our mentors for being there. I know a lot of people we have here today, and would really want this to grow ahead, and praying to God we don't get any such wave or any scenario like this, and hoping to take this ahead from here. Thank you guys. I think with this we can end. Shivangi, you wanted to end with a shairi. Go ahead, and thank you everyone for joining.
I just want to